back to Speller Tutorial Services. Today we're going to talk about the law of signs, and in our particular example we're going to be looking at something called the ambiguous case. The ambiguous case is only relevant when you have a triangle where you only have a side, and an angle. If you have other configurations where you have an angle, side, and an angle, that wouldn't be an ambiguous case because you actually come up with an answer. All right, the ambiguous case is called ambiguous because you can come up. You have scenarios where you'll have a triangle with no solution, one solution, or two solutions. In this video, we're going to work with a triangle that actually does not have a solution. All right, so let's begin with this example. We have triangle ABC. All right, in triangle ABC, angle A is 86 degrees, side A is 48 units, and side C is 68 units. And let's go ahead and label those. All right, we do not know what angle B is or angle C, and we do not have the length of side B. But using the law of sines, I have an angle and its opposite side, so I can put that into a ratio. So I'll take the sine of 86, and I divide that by 48 units. My only other option is that my only other number is that I have the side C, which is 68 units. So side C is my denominator. Its opposite angle has to be sine, or is angle C, so we have to take the sine of angle C. Now to solve for sine C, I need to cross multiply. So I end up with 48 times sine C is equal to 68 times the sine of 86. Now we need to isolate sine C, so I'm going to divide both sides of this equation by 48. The two 48s evaluate down to 1, leaving me with sine C on the left-hand side, and on the right-hand side, after evaluating this fraction, come up with approximately 1.4. Well, to solve for C, I need to take the arc sine of both sides. In doing so, I'll come up with C is equal to the arc sine of 1.4, and if I put that into the calculator to try to evaluate the arc sine of 1.4, I end up getting an error on the calculator. The reason why you get an error is because the sine of an angle is never greater than 1. So over here, because the result is 1.4, I know that I cannot use this as a solution. All right, so we know that this triangle that we have stated here has no solution. All right, that sums it up for this video by Speller Tutorial Services. Please friend us on Facebook and also subscribe to our YouTube channel, both found under the same name, Speller Tutorial. And thank you again for watching.